Animations are all about making pictures come to life. Let's get into Scratch and make it happen.
I've programmed the cat to move using the steps command and the wait command. Using the wait command makes it look more realistic because the cat is pausing between each of the steps rather than just gliding along the screen. But my code is already getting quite long. If I wanted to make my animation longer, then it would soon become hard to keep track of what was going on. This is where the repeat tool comes in handy. I can take away my repeated commands, then go into Control and use the repeat to tell the program how many times I want it to repeat that command before stopping. The cat is now following the same instructions, but my code is much shorter. Head over to scratch.mit.edu to have a go yourself.